Hello everyone and welcome! Today we're going to understand two very important concepts in electronics, p-type and n-type semiconductors. These materials form the foundation of devices like diodes, transistors, sensors, and integrated circuits. Let's begin with the basics. Pure silicon or germanium is called an intrinsic semiconductor. It has very few free electrons and holes, so its conductivity is low. To improve its conductivity, we add a small amount of impurity, a process called doping. Based on the type of impurity added, we get two types of extrinsic semiconductors, p-type and n-type. Let's start with n-type semiconductor. N-type material is formed by doping silicon with pentavalent atoms, meaning atoms that have 5 valence electrons. Common examples include phosphorus, arsenic, and antimony. When one of these atoms replaces a silicon atom, 4 of its electrons form bonds with neighboring silicon atoms. But the 5th electron is extra, and it becomes a free electron. Because of these extra electrons, the majority carriers in n-type material are electrons, and the minority carriers are holes. It's called n-type because the charge carriers that dominate its conduction are negative. Now, let's move to the p-type semiconductor. P-type material is created by doping silicon with trivalent atoms, which have 3 valence electrons. Examples include boron, gallium, and indium. When such an impurity is added, it bonds with only 3 electrons, leaving one missing bond. This absence of an electron is called a hole, and holes behave like positive charge carriers. In p-type material, holes are the majority carriers, while electrons are the minority carriers. It's called p-type because these holes carry positive charge. So what is the key difference? N-type has excess electrons, while p-type has excess holes. N-type conduction is due to negative electrons, and p-type conduction is due to positive holes. Both types are essential, and when combined, such as in a p-n junction, they form the basis of modern electronic components. In summary, p-type and n-type semiconductors are the building blocks of today's electronics, enabling everything from smartphones and computers to solar cells and sensors. Thank you for listening. Please like, subscribe, and share.